Ever wondered how to crack codes and solve puzzles like a secret agent? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on an exciting mission, one that's full of adventure and mystery, our secret weapon, Python programming. That's right, Python isn't just a slithering creature, it's also a popular programming language used by many professionals around the globe to solve complex problems. So are you ready to become a code-cracking secret agent? Accept the mission if you dare and step into the world of Python programming. To navigate through this mission, you need to equip yourself with the basics of Python. Imagine you're a secret agent. Just like how an agent has a toolkit filled with gadgets to help them on their mission, you too will have your own toolkit. But instead of grappling hooks and invisibility cloaks, your toolkit will be filled with Python programming concepts. First up, we have variables. Think of them as secret codes that store important information for you. They can hold anything from numbers, words, to even whole sentences. Next, we've got data types. These are like different languages spoken by your codes. Each data type, whether it's an integer, a string, or a boolean, communicates information in a unique way. Then we have operations. These are actions you can perform on your variables. Think of them as your secret agent moves. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing are just a few examples. Remember, these Python tools are not just abstract concepts. They're like the keys to a secret vault, the map leading to hidden treasure, or the decoder for the villain's cryptic messages. They make your mission possible by helping you solve puzzles and crack codes. Master these tools, and you're well on your way to becoming a top secret agent. You've successfully equipped yourself with the basic Python tools. Now prepare for your first challenge. A secret message awaits, but it's encrypted. Can you crack the code? In our secret agent mission today, we're going to use Python to decipher a coded message. Don't worry, we've got all the tools we need from our Python programming toolkit. First, here's our encrypted message. Cheesy exhilarating ilkpe mark. It's written in a simple Caesar cipher, a type of substitution cipher where each letter in the text is shifted a certain number of places down the alphabet. In this case, it's shifted 4 places. Now, how can we use Python to decode it? We'll start by creating a Python dictionary that maps each letter of the alphabet to the letter 4 places before it. We'll also include a rule for handling spaces so they don't get converted into letters. Next, we'll use a Python for loop to go through each character in the encrypted message. For each character, we'll find its corresponding decrypted letter from our dictionary and add it to our decrypted message. And voila, our Python program has cracked the code. The decrypted message reads, "Crack the code. Congratulations, secret agents. You've used Python to solve a real-world problem. Remember, the power to crack any code lies within you and your Python skills. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep solving puzzles. The world of Python programming is filled with endless possibilities. Congratulations, agent. You've cracked your first code with Python. Every mission has its end, and you've reached yours successfully. Our journey through the thrilling world of Python programming has come to a triumphant close. You've grasped the Python concepts like a true secret agent and used them to decipher puzzles and crack codes. Variables, loops, functions, you've mastered them all. Remember the time we solved the mystery of the lost treasure using a simple for loop, or when we unlocked the secret door using a cleverly crafted function? You've shown remarkable skill and determination throughout this mission. But remember, every accomplished agent knows that the learning never stops. The world of Python programming is vast, and there are many more challenges that await your skills. Keep practicing what you've learned. Try creating your own codes, your own puzzles, and who knows, maybe even your own video game. As you journey forward, remember that Python is a powerful tool in your secret agent toolkit. Use it wisely, use it creatively. Continue to explore, continue to learn. The world of coding isn't just about finding solutions. It's about creating, innovating, and making the impossible possible. So what's next, agent? More codes to crack? More puzzles to solve? The choice is yours. The world of coding awaits your skills. Mission accomplished, agent. You've successfully completed your Python training. Keep practicing and remember, the world of coding awaits your skills.